Welcome to the world of liquid gold. Today, we embark on a journey through $1 million production line that turns nature into pure excellence. Olive oil is much more than just a kitchen staple. It is the result of cutting-edge technology and centuries of agricultural tradition combined together. The harvest begins with precision. Watch as this powerful mechanical shaker prepares to harvest thousands of olives in just a few seconds of work. As the machine vibrates the trunk, a rain of ripe olives falls onto the nets below, ensuring that every single fruit is gathered efficiently. Efficiency is key in this $1 million operation. The fruit must be moved quickly from the branch to the factory to maintain its peak freshness. Tons of fresh olives arrive at the processing plant, marking the start of a transformation that uses some of the most advanced machinery in existence. Inside the facility, a symphony of industrial engineering awaits. Every movement is calculated to ensure the highest quality of the final precious golden oil. Human expertise meets machine precision as the initial inspection begins, filtering out any debris before the olives enter the main cleaning stage now. The first step of the process is the cleaning phase. A massive wave of olives moves through the system to be stripped of all impurities. High-velocity air blowers instantly remove leaves and small branches. Only the pure fruit is allowed to continue its journey through this sophisticated cleaning line. Next, the olives are subjected to a high-pressure wash. This removes any remaining dust or soil, leaving the fruit shiny and perfectly clean for extraction. Cleanliness is paramount in oil production. The water used is constantly filtered to ensure that no contaminants affect the delicate flavor of the olive oil. Advanced laser sensors now scan every single olive. These machines can detect and reject damaged or underripe fruit in a fraction of a single second. With lightning-fast precision, the sorting system ejects anything that doesn't meet the gold standard, ensuring only the most perfect olives proceed to the crush. A vibrating dewatering screen removes excess moisture. It is crucial that no extra water enters the crushing phase to maintain the purity of the oil. The olives are now perfectly prepped. They descend into the crushing unit, where the physical transformation from whole fruit to paste begins immediately now. The journey into the heart of the machine begins. This is where the olives face the immense power of steel in the hammer milling process. High-speed steel hammers rotate at incredible speeds, pulverizing both the flesh and the pits to release the microscopic oil droplets hidden deep within the cells. The result is a rich, aromatic paste. Every part of the olive is utilized here, as the pits actually help in the extraction process later on. This dense mash is then pumped through a network of stainless steel pipes, moving toward the next critical phase of the $1 million production line. These specialized tanks are the site of malaxation, a process where the paste is slowly stirred to encourage the oil to separate from the solids. The slow rhythmic motion of the stirring blades allows small oil droplets to collide and form larger drops, making extraction possible in the next steps. Temperature control is vital for cold pressing. We keep the paste under 27 degrees Celsius to preserve the delicate antioxidants and the natural aroma. Look closely at the surface. You can see the first glimmers of oil beginning to separate, a sign that the malaxation process is working perfectly. The quiet hum of the motors signifies the steady progress of the batch. This stage can take up to 45 minutes to achieve optimal results. The air here is thick with the intense fragrance of fresh olives. It is a sensory experience that combines ancient tradition with modern industrial engineering. Quality checks are performed at every stage. The technician ensures the paste has reached the right consistency before moving it to the centrifugal separators. We now enter the heart of the factory. The decanter centrifuge is the most expensive and critical piece of equipment in the entire production chain. Spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute, this machine uses centrifugal force to separate the oil from water and solid pomace based on density. This is the moment of truth. The first stream of extra virgin olive oil emerges, glowing with a stunning, natural emerald green color that is breathtaking. On the other side, the dry waste known as pomace is expelled. This byproduct will later be repurposed, ensuring that nothing from the olive goes to waste. A second vertical centrifuge performs the final polish. It removes any remaining microscopic water particles, leaving behind nothing but the purest, most concentrated oil. The flow is constant and beautiful. This oil is now technically extra virgin, obtained solely by mechanical means without the use of any harmful chemicals. The clarity of the oil is a testament to the precision of the centrifugal separation. It is a masterpiece of fluid dynamics and industrial design. Engineers monitor the entire process from a central hub, adjusting the speeds in real time to maintain the perfect balance of yield and oil quality. Every drop is precious. The million-dollar investment in this machinery ensures that the delicate chemical structure of the oil remains completely intact and healthy. While the oil is already pure, it now passes through a filtration stage to remove the very last microscopic particles of fruit pulp. This natural filtration process uses no heat or chemicals. It simply polishes the oil until it becomes as clear and bright as a liquid crystal. In the on-site laboratory, every batch is rigorously tested. Scientists analyze the acidity levels to ensure the oil meets the strict extra virgin criteria. An acidity level of 0.2% is world-class. It indicates that the olives were harvested and processed with incredible speed and care throughout. We also check for oxidation and peroxide levels. Protecting the oil from the elements is a science that we have perfected over many years. Human senses are still the ultimate judge. Expert tasters evaluate the oil for its notes of fresh grass, artichoke, and that signature peppery finish. Once approved, the oil is stored in massive stainless steel silos. These tanks are kept in a temperature-controlled environment to maintain the oil's peak condition. To prevent oxidation, we fill the empty space in the tanks with nitrogen. This inert gas keeps the oil fresh by completely removing any contact with oxygen. The oil rests here in total darkness. Light is the enemy of quality, so we take every precaution to shield our liquid gold from its effects. Now, the final phase begins. The oil moves from the silence of the storage tanks to the high-speed rhythm of the automated bottling line. Thousands of dark glass bottles are lined up. We use tinted glass because it provides a natural barrier against UV light, further protecting the oil. The automated filling system is incredibly precise. Each bottle is filled to the exact milliliter, ensuring consistency across every single unit produced in this factory. The sight of the oil filling the bottles is mesmerizing. It is the culmination of a long and complex process that began in the sun-drenched groves. A vacuum seal is applied during the capping process. This ensures that no air is trapped inside the bottle, preserving the freshness for the consumer. The branding is the final touch. Each label carries the story of the orchard and the certification of quality that we have worked so hard to achieve. Traceability is vital. A laser etches a unique code on every bottle, allowing us to track the oil back to the exact day and field of harvest. Automated vision systems inspect every bottle as it passes. Any bottle with a crooked label or a slight defect is immediately removed from the line. Robotic precision takes over the packaging. These machines work tirelessly, packing thousands of bottles every hour with a level of care no human could match. The boxes are sealed and ready. They are built to withstand the long journey from our facility to gourmet kitchens all around the world. A massive palletizer organizes the shipment. This is the final stage of the million-dollar automation that defines our state-of-the-art olive oil production facility. The pallets are moved to the loading docks. From here, they will be transported across oceans and continents to reach tables in every corner of the globe. The final product is a masterpiece of both nature and technology. It represents the very best of what human ingenuity can achieve with a simple fruit. Observe the texture and the color as it pours. This is not just oil, it is a source of health, flavor, and culinary inspiration for millions. The taste is the ultimate reward. One dip reveals the complexity of the flavor profile that we have so carefully preserved through every industrial step. Top chefs around the world rely on this specific oil to elevate their dishes, knowing that every drop has been produced with absolute perfection in mind. As the day ends in the groves, the factory continues to hum. The cycle of harvest and production is a testament to the enduring legacy of olives. Our facility is a beacon of modern manufacturing. We take pride in the fact that our million-dollar investment brings the healthiest fats to your home. From this single location, our liquid gold reaches over 50 countries. We are proud to share the bounty of our land with the entire world. At the end of the journey, it is about the people. This oil brings flavor and health to families, continuing a tradition that is thousands of years old. It all starts with this simple fruit. The humble olive is the source of a global industry that celebrates purity, health, and technological innovation today. The complexity of the plumbing in this factory is a marvel of engineering. Every pipe is designed for hygiene and the smooth transit of the oil. The power of our harvesting equipment is unmatched. It allows us to process the entire harvest in record time, which is essential for the highest quality. Sustainability is at the core of our operations. Even the waste from our production line is used to generate clean energy for the local community. Our team is our greatest asset. Their dedication to excellence is what makes this million-dollar production line truly successful and world-renowned for its quality oil. We never stop testing. Even after the oil is in the storage tanks, we continue to verify its purity to guarantee the best experience for you. The journey of our oil across the sea begins. It is an international ambassador of our commitment to quality, health, and industrial technological excellence. When you open a bottle of our oil, you are opening the result of thousands of hours of work and millions of dollars in technology. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey from the ancient Mediterranean fields to the heart of a modern-day million-dollar production line. Discover the difference that true precision and passion can make. This is the story of the world's finest olive oil. Until next time, enjoy the gold.